In today's video, we'll see how we can combine hotel bed and Agoda data step by step using accessible tools and methods to ensure efficient merging, clear output, and seamless integration that anyone can easily replicate into the travel booking panel and display it. For example, when I search here right now in front of us, the hotel bed data will show. You can see that both the total and detailed data displayed are only from hotel bed. We navigate to our admin interface, then select travel partners from the menu to access this section where we can view the complete list of available travel partners. Could you please provide the rest of the second sentence so I can lengthen both sentences to 25 words each while preserving their original meaning and style? Travel booking panel website to have both hotel bed and Agoda materials active and both datasets displayed. I click on this, convert its status from pending to active, enter and save its credentials here, update all relevant fields accordingly and finalize the changes. Now we have achieved a successful activation. Both Hotelbed and Agoda suppliers are now fully integrated and completely active in our system for seamless bookings. Now we return to the website, perform a comprehensive search again, and see clearly that we have successfully gathered data from both Hotelbed and Agoda booking services. We check whether both datasets are displayed or only Hotelbed's data. As you can see, some Hotelbed results are appearing at the top. Let's scroll down here a little further, and as you can observe below, our comprehensive Agoda data feed is now being displayed in full as well. Now that we have activated Agoda as a supplier on our website, you can apply the straightforward process to activate any other hotel supplier by following these simple steps in the dashboard. And by using the travel book panel, you can easily and seamlessly visualize and organize your comprehensive hotels data in one location. Thank you for watching.